Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up personalized spatial audio for AirPods on iOS 18. To set up personalized spatial audio, you need an iPhone with iOS 16 or later and a TrueDepth camera. After you sign in with your Apple account, you can use personalized spatial audio on your devices. With your AirPods or Beats connected to your iPhone, go to Settings and then your Spatial Audio enabled device. Now go to Personalize Spatial Audio and then Personalize Spatial Audio. On your Vision Pro, go to Settings, select Bluetooth, and then turn on Personalize Spatial Audio. To capture the front view, hold your iPhone about 12 inches directly in front of you. Next, position your face in a camera frame and slowly move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Tap Continue. To capture a view of your right ear, hold your iPhone with your right hand. Move your right arm 45 degrees to your right, then turn your head slowly to the left. Audio and visual cues will help you finish the setup. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.